Hello everybody, my name is Johnny and today I'm gonna be doing my face using the products that I got in my favorite box from Boxycharm. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is starting with the No Pore Primer from Touch of Soul. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my face, and by a little bit I mean like 25 pumps, because I really like this primer. Then for foundation I'm using the Milk Foundation and blending it, I forgot the name. And then I'm going with the Born This Way concealer, which I apply everywhere on my face without any specific shape or like area, because anyway I blend it all over. And then Morphe, I've been using this 15T palette, which I really like because the colors they blend a lot. At the beginning I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. I knew that I wanted something with that green because it was super cute, but I needed some kind of like base on it, so that's why I decided to do. And also I used their brushes that they sent me as well. So I did like this smoky eye on the top, and then I wanted to highlight my inner corners with the green, but I decided to do something different. So as you can see, I'm just cleaning up with concealer, and then I take a little bit of that beautiful green color, and then I went in the bottom. Then I did my second eye, and then I redid the bottom because I realized I needed more green. Here we go. So more green, and bam. It looks gorgeous, honestly. I really love it. So for highlight, I took that Pretty Vulgar highlighter, and then I was saying bye to my little sister because she was there with me. Bye, cutie. Okay, and then mascara. Better Than Sex. Okay, so this is the before. I wanted to show you all how I look before the mascara, really, because I think it really transformed my look. And bam, after. Contour a little bit. Contour, snatch that nose. You gotta do what you gotta do. She's looking cute or whatever, but she's using lipstick. So let's go with Tristic. They sent me this as well on the box, Tristic. It's a really cute lipstick. I decided to use a liner anyway, just to line my lips because I like always to do that. And then bam, I used the color from Tristic, which I think it was really cute and shiny, which I like, and it also came with a primer. And then I highlight a little bit more because what? I love it. And also this Pretty Vulgar highlighter is pretty cute, honestly. And that's it, that's the final look. I hope y'all like it. This was my first time doing a voiceover, so let me know if you like it in the comments down below. And maybe I'll be doing more of these. Bye!